The impact of AI on jobs. Hello, and welcome back to our AI Explained series. After discussing the ethics and responsibility around AI, today we're exploring another key aspect, the impact of AI on jobs and the future of work. Let's dive in. In our last episode, we navigated the moral landscape of AI, understanding its ethical implications. Now, as AI continues to evolve, it's reshaping our work landscape too. How? Let's find out. AI and automation. First, let's talk about automation. AI has become a powerful force, automating tasks ranging from data entry to diagnosing medical conditions. This automation can lead to increased efficiency and reduce human error. But what does that mean for jobs? Industries impacted by AI. Almost no industry is immune to the influence of AI, from manufacturing, where AI-powered robots assemble products, to healthcare, where AI algorithms help diagnose diseases. The impact is widespread. Even creative fields like writing and art are seeing AI's touch. AI, jobs, and the economy. Now, let's talk about economics. Automation, while boosting efficiency, can displace jobs. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating new roles that didn't exist a decade ago. Data scientists, AI specialists, these are now in-demand positions. Preparing for the future of work. So, how do we prepare for this AI-driven future of work? Emphasizing lifelong learning and upskilling can help us adapt to new roles and opportunities. It's not just about understanding technology, but also about fostering creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. As we conclude our look at the impact of AI on jobs, one thing's clear: the future of work is changing, and AI is a significant driver. How we adapt and grow with this change is up to us. Next, we'll explore the role of AI in healthcare.